The fires in the Amazon are a huge wake-up call for the whole planet, and you can make a difference. Fire is cleansing and purifying the areas. It goes deep into the land. And if humans send in enough light to a place, it doesn't need to be purified with fire. And the fires are out of control because the people are sending fear energy into it, and the elementals are feeding on humanity's fear. So the elementals are out of control, especially the salamanders, the fire elementals. So together now, let's do our part to help. Close your eyes and relax. Breathe comfortably and take a moment to find your deep, peaceful, tranquil center. Know that at a higher level all is well. And then focus on the fires in the Amazon. Send peace and calm to the salamanders, the fire elementals. They will automatically calm down. Send peace and tranquility to the sylphs, the air elementals that are stirring it up. Know that they are picking up your calming energy, and they too relax. Then picture the fire dying down everywhere. And now call in the cosmic diamond violet flame. The diamond white is purifying. The violet transmutes. So picture a huge cosmic diamond violet flame over the Amazon. And then merge all the cosmic diamond violet flames that we are all creating. See how vast it is in the cosmos. Call on Archangels Gabriel and Zadkiel to guide it, to bring it down into the fire and deep, deep into the entire Amazon area. It is automatically clearing, cleansing and purifying the area. Be aware of this happening. And the third thing you can do is join with everybody that is concerned about the Amazon. Call in the undines, the water elementals, the water dragons. Ask them to help and focus on rain falling all over the entire area. Healing, soothing, beautiful rain. And know that you have made a difference. Just feel love in your heart going out to all the animals, all the people in that area, as well as the trees and the plants. Thank you.